Hello friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. It is solution of challenging math question 36. It is question 36. Here is a nice question. Absolute value x minus 1 minus 2 whole factorial is equal to 1. Then find the value of x. We want to solve this equation. We know that there is two rules. 0 factorial is equal to 1. 1 factorial is equal to 1. So here should be 0, 1. Possibility, there exists two possibility. So first we want to write absolute value x minus 1 minus 2 absolute value is equal to whole factorial is equal to, it can be written 1 factorial or it can be 0 factorial. It can be equal to 0 factorial. Therefore, now we can write this implies two things. Here we will get two equations. Minus all absolute value of x minus absolute value x minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0 factorial, or absolute value x minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 1 factorial. 0 factorial is equal to 1, 1 factorial is also equal to 1. These two equations we have to solve. First one, it is equation 1, it is equation 2. From equation 1 we get absolute value x minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. Here also it has absolute value, factorial. X minus absolute value x minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies absolute value x minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies absolute value x minus 1 is equal to 2. This implies x minus 1 is equal to plus minus 2. This implies x is equal to 1 plus minus 2. x1 is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. x2 is equal to 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, we get two solutions. Here, x1 is equal to 3, x2 is equal to minus 1. Second one, we want to solve that from equation 2, absolute value x minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 1. Now we can write absolute value x minus 1 minus 2 is equal to plus minus 1. Here absolute value x minus 1 is equal to 2 plus minus 1. This implies absolute value x minus 1 is equal to 2 plus 1, 3, or absolute value x minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Here also we have two equations, we want to solve them. This implies x minus 1 is equal to plus minus 3. This implies x is equal to 1 plus minus 3. This implies x. Here we have x1, x2, x3. x3 is equal to 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. x4 is equal to 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. From here, or x minus 1 is equal to plus minus 1, or x is equal to 1 plus minus 1. This or x is equal to x4 x5. x5 is equal to 1 plus 1 2. x4 is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore we have 5 6 x5 x6, it is x6. We have 6 answer. x1 is equal to 3, x2 is equal to minus 1, x3 is equal to 4, x4 is equal to minus 2, x5 is equal to 2, x6 is equal to 0. These are the solution of this equation. Thank you.